Hello everyone! Welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. Today, we are going to talk about love, a feeling that everyone knows, but experiences in different ways. Let's explore what love means, and whether we all truly need it. Love is a powerful feeling that many people experience in their lives. It's a feeling that makes people feel happy, connected, and understood. But do we all need love? This question has different answers, and today we'll explore both sides of this idea. Some people say that love is the key to happiness. They feel that love brings warmth and joy into their lives. When we love someone, we want to be with them and share special moments together. Love can make us feel safe, and it's a feeling that brings comfort in difficult times. Imagine a day where you feel down, but then a friend or family member hugs you. That simple act can change your mood completely. This is why many people believe love is important. Love is also a learning experience. When we feel love, we start to understand more about ourselves. Love teaches us patience, kindness, and understanding. For example, when we love someone, we learn to listen to them, to care about their feelings, and sometimes even to compromise. This experience can make us stronger and more caring people, even if the love we feel doesn't last forever. Each love story, whether long or short, gives us valuable lessons and helps us grow. However, love is not always easy. Sometimes, love brings challenges and even pain. When love changes or ends, it can leave us feeling sad and lost. But these moments are also part of life. They help us become more resilient and ready for the future. Love, like life, has ups and downs, and each experience adds to who we are. So, whether we find love in friends, family, or a special person, the most important thing is to embrace it and learn from it. On the other hand, some people think we can be happy without love. They believe that other things, like a good job, a favorite hobby, or a goal in life, can also make us feel fulfilled. These people feel that being independent is important, and they like having control over their own lives. For them, love is not the only path to happiness. So, is love necessary for everyone? Maybe. It depends on the person. Each of us finds happiness in our own way. Some find joy in being with others and sharing love, while others find peace and happiness in their independence. In the end, whether we choose to seek love or not, what truly matters is finding what makes us feel happy and content. Love is just one part of life, and for some, it is the best part, while for others, it is just one of many ways to feel fulfilled. We should all respect each other's choices, as everyone's journey is unique. Now, I'm going to ask you 2 questions about today's article. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. Do you think love is necessary for happiness? Why or why not? 2. Do you find happiness more in love or in other things like hobbies and work? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time.